What up, Diecast family? What is up? So, guys, I just wanted to make this quickie video in anticipation of the fight. So, guys, I showed you this car earlier, and I was talking about the wheels. I didn't. Let's see if I can get the light better, guys. Didn't care for the wheels. And then somebody told me, yeah, I can get a chrome pin and chrome these bad boys out. Which I think would be nice. So I decided, let's see if I can do a wheel swap and see what you guys think. So this is the before, guys, of what the wheels look like. The whole, I mean, the car itself is pretty cool, but the wheels, man, it just remind me of Maisto wheels, Maisto cars. You know how the wheels are on those. So, guys, check back, and we're gonna show you what it looked like with the newbies on it. All right, guys, in a minute. Guys, we are back, and this is the new look. What do you guys think? The problem, and then like, okay, I feel bad that it don't roll, but that's okay. I don't want it to roll. I just want it to look cool, right? I think these wheels are pretty darn sweet, right? What do you think? And so what I had to do, guys, since I didn't have the right size wheels for this car, so I had to take and put this up here. I had to take this guy and cut it. And so once I cut it the size, I took and cut the axle in half, and then I just cut it down, stuck one side in here and glued it, and did the same thing on the other side so that the wheels would snug in there like the original. So overall, I think it came out pretty nice. But I guess the next time I do a wheel swap, I'm gonna make sure that I have to figure out a better way so that once I glue everything in place, that the wheels still roll. And I think what happened was I got some of the glue on the axle, and that's why the wheel isn't rolling. But other than that, I just think it's cool. Better wheel all around. So guys, that is my quickie wheel swap of my Bburago Camaro. So that is the after, guys. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. As always, I appreciate your support, and I'm looking forward to doing more wheel swaps on these cars. I just got to find, again, a better way of doing it. But it doesn't roll, but I take it as it is. So thank you guys. I'm out. Bye now. Oh, so before I leave, hope you guys enjoy the fight.